This pizza tastes so good. I mean, it's just like having pizza. So here we have 1 medium cauliflower, mozzarella, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, red chili flakes, basil, Italian seasoning, and 2 eggs. After washing your cauliflower, the first thing you're gonna do is get your cauliflower into small florets. In no uniform way, you're just getting your florets into small manageable pieces. Add a reasonable amount of cauliflower to your food processor. We're gonna blend this into a paste-like consistency. I'm just gonna keep adding your cauliflower until everything is all blended up. Any food processor should work. Once you're through with your cauliflower should have a paste-like consistency. You're going to take a clean kitchen towel. You're going to transfer your cauliflower paste into the center of this towel. The purpose of this is to remove as much of the water from the cauliflower as you can, since your effort is to make a crust with the cauliflower. So once you're through wringing your cauliflower, this is what your cauliflower should look like. You're now going to take your cauliflower and put it back into your bowl. Try not to lose any of your cauliflower. So now you're simply going to take all of your other ingredients and you're going to add it right back into this bowl and blend everything all up using a fork. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper and red chili flakes, oregano, Italian seasoning. And you're gonna beat these 2 eggs. So you're using a fork to make sure you get all of those fine ingredients mixed into your paste. Once I have used a fork to get all the ingredients pretty much mixed in and you see no more white chunks, I then use my hands. I add the cheese and I use my fingertips to finish the blending. And I like to just twist everything in between the fingertips like this. So I'm grinding with the fingertips, making sure there are no big clumps. Now it's all up to you. You can do everything with the fork, or like me, you can get in there with your hands after. Make sure everything is finely blended and get all the cauliflower from around your bowl. Now, this mixture makes one large pizza that serves 8. Instead of making one large pizza crust, I'm gonna divide my crust into 4 parts, making 4 separate pizza crusts, freezing 3, and using only 1 to make a mini pizza. Once you've made your perfect pizza dough ball with your cauliflower, you're now gonna get plastic wrap to roll the pizza dough out. So you're gonna take your cauliflower pizza dough, you're then gonna get your cling wrap, you need 2 pieces, and you're gonna roll your dough out. You can make it as thin or as thick as you want. Once I'm through doing that, I usually take my hand and round it out some, so it looks more like a rounded pizza. And there you go. Because I'm only using 1 serving of this, what I do after I roll it out is I take wax paper and I transfer it onto the wax paper. You take another piece of wax paper, take your dough, cover it up, and roll it out. Just like last time, we're gonna make a perfect, well, not perfect, but you're gonna round it out. I take my freezer bag and I tuck these 3 crusts away for next time. And they stay perfectly fine. Get all the air out of there. You can even use one of your vacuum seal machines if you have one. And this goes into the freezer. Today you're gonna prepare your pan with parchment paper. I love the pre-cut parchment paper. Makes life easy. You're gonna lay that in the center of your pizza pan. You're gonna take your dough. You're gonna cover it with your plastic wrap and you're gonna roll it out. I like my pizza pretty thin. I'm gonna roll mine out pretty flat, but it's up to you. Now I'm gonna round it up some, just how I like it. I like to bump the edges up so it can kind of take on a crust-like look. And this is your pizza dough. Cauliflower pizza crust. We're now going to stick this in the oven. The finished product looks just like a slice of pizza. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy making this recipe, staying healthy and eating low carb.